Hello everybody, welcome back to Catching Monsters everybody. Today you'll be learning how to properly hook chicken liver. Y'all stay tuned. Before I start with the chicken liver, I'll talk about my setup. So I have roughly 15-pound braided line, then I have an egg weight, then I have a bead, then I have a metal swivel, and then I have roughly 6 inches, 5 inches, 4 inches of braided line, and then I have a hook. All right everybody, I took out the pantyhose from the wrapper, the packaging. You can buy this at Walmart, no need to go expensive. And anything from these pantyhose, basically cut it up. You want to create squares with them, squares just like that. This might be a bit too big, let's go a little bit smaller. Just like that. A nice piece of pantyhose, just like a rectangle. So this is perfect. You want to cut up multiple pieces if you're gonna have multiple poles out there. All right everybody, now that you cut up your pieces of pantyhose, you're gonna get a chicken liver, and this all depends on how big you want to, how big of a catfish you want. We're gonna cut a small piece. Something about that size will be perfect for this pantyhose. Basically, you want to match the pantyhose and the chicken liver in sizing wise. Once you cut up your piece of chicken liver, you're gonna want to hook the chicken liver through the hook multiple times, as many times as you can, whatever's possible. So just like that, you see it's pretty good, it's stable, not bad, that's good. Okay, now that you have hooked the chicken liver multiple times, you're gonna wrap the chicken liver around the pantyhose. Just like that. It's gonna be within the pantyhose. And then you're gonna want to point out the hook outside of the pantyhose. And then from there, you're gonna want to tie it up, the pantyhose. All right, everybody. So one side, at the end of the other side, not the side from the hook, but the other side, you're gonna want to tie that up. Just like that. Double tie it. Do whatever you need to do. Just like that, everybody. And now you have one side where you can put the chicken liver through. And yeah, everybody, y'all stay tuned. Everybody, you may wonder, oh, that pantyhose is just gonna fall off. It won't, because this hook is going through the pantyhose. So when you throw your bait in, ideally it should not fall, unless you're throwing it like crazy, like a maniac, which you shouldn't do. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. Y'all make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and fish on, everybody.